All right, today's lesson. This one is 1-2 in your book. It is lesson 2, page 4 and 5. This is on expanded form. When we talk about expanded form, we talk about drawing it out, okay, separating it out. In this case, what you are going to do is you're going to separate each digit out, okay? In your book, they have a number in there. It is 4,504,000,000, not 299,902. Does everyone see that? It's in the right here.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what you are to do is you are to take each digit and pull it out and tell how much it's worth. Just like what we did yesterday with the value of each one. Okay? The place, this 4 is in the billions, the 1 billions. This 5 is in the 100 millions. Okay? That's the place of it. But the value of it, you need to take the value of each one and separate them out. So, for example, you are going to have the 4 billions. That's the first one. You're going to have 4, and then you write out billions. It's millions, there's billions. 9 zeros. Okay? Then you're going to add take the 5 out. And the value of it is 500 million. So I'm going to put the 500 million right below, which is another way to do it. You could put it right next to it, okay? But when you add, you can also put below it. The 0, do I need to put that in? No. Then I got 4 ones, but this is 4 million. So now I'm going to come to the 4 and put the millions in. Okay. On to the 2, but this is 200,000. So 200,000. 90,000. 9,000. Oops, I'm making a G. 9,000. 900. What did I do with the 0? Nothing. And then 2. Now, if I were to add all this, I would end up getting this number. Okay? It's an upside down pyramid. Okay? But what they're talking about is expanded. You're taking out each digit with its place value. Okay? With the value that it has. Okay? And here, they've done it a different way too, where they do the 4 times the 1 billion. Okay? The 5 times the 100,000. But you can also do it where you have it separated this way. Okay? Now, any questions on this? This lesson is not that hard. Okay? But what the kids don't like, what you guys don't like, is it requires a lot of writing. Because when you separate everything out, there is a lot of writing. So with this, in your composition books, when you are separating them out, you are going to be doing the odd numbers again. Okay? But don't put down first thing 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, all the way to 23. Don't do that. Do number 1 and then do the problem out, because it may require a little more room. Okay? Do you understand? And then do number 3, and then put the 3. Don't pre-write where all your numbers are on this one. Okay, yes, Sienna? Cece? Just erase things out if there's anything written in there. As I know that Harper was writing in the book yesterday.
I even have that book.
So, all right, I need you to go ahead. Now, remember, the hard book that you have, that's page 4 and 5. And you are doing 1 to 23 odd. Okay? More practice. That's in your flimsy book. That's in the workbook. You're doing page 3, 1 to 13. All of them. Not the odd ones, Harper. Today you have 2 more IXLs, A1 and A3. And up on the board, I've started my running chart. Okay? And then a little bit later, we are going to do the STAR math test. Okay? Now, your math test for the ones in class, not the distance learners. The ones in class, you are having your math test on 9/9. Let me tell you about this. 9/7 is a Monday. It's a day off. It's Labor Day. Okay? 9/9 is that Wednesday. Okay? That's when our test is. Okay? The distance learners will be taking it on 9/11. Okay? Which is that Friday.
That's happening again.
Okay? All right. You have your work to do. Do all of that before you do the homework page. Go ahead and get started.